Hello friends, welcome to this channel, Center of Excellence Pharma 4. Objective of this channel is to discuss about various emerging technologies which are designed and developed in last couple of years like cloud, artificial intelligence, big data, industrial internet of things, robotics, blockchain, and many more are still evolving. How these technologies will get applied, adopted, and used into present supply chain management, and how company can achieve better results, better performance, better productivity, better profitability. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss more about the insight of supply chain management. Because as we are talking about developing, building up a complete end-to-end supply chain management. What I've done over here is broadly this whole supply chain concept is split it up into 5 parts actually. The first is supply chain integration, then automation, then reconfiguration, then analytics and process. What is the first thing? What is the supply chain integration? As we know, the entire supply chain has got many business processes, like what we see from the customer connecting to supplier with manufacturing operation. And these processes are carried out at a various geographic location, and each process generates a lot of information. So information sharing is a big challenge because information at many places are stored into silos and it's available only to that particular person or a group or a department, and it is not really shared with other department, but it is really required and essential to take the necessary actions based on to the information, because all parameters are changing, market requirements are changing, customer expectations are changing, and this needs to get coordinated with across the entire supply chain, and that requires the organizational linkages. We are now looking at the next phase is adopting this emerging technologies, and we are thinking about automating those various processes of data capture, data storage, and data analysis and all that. So robotic technologies are coming up, process automation, like when we see machines, and then there are process parameters which needs to be monitored. Industrial Internet of Things is available to capture those real-time data and generate intelligent processes and all that, which takes the supply chain automation, which helps not only a real-time data, but also reduces the mistakes about capturing the data and putting it in the manual systems and all that. However, when we are looking from automation, the next step is reconfiguration. Today, all our organizations are working on old systems, which were very rigid, which were not really flexible, which were not really agile and all that. So organization reconfiguration is really required. The supply chain network is also has to have a flexibility, interoperability is containing, connecting, accepting, sharing the data and all that, which is what is really required to improve the data sharing and decision making at a various levels. That goes to the next step is called analytics. As we know, artificial intelligence is really coming up very fast. Our earlier systems were doing only analysis about the earlier data, which was really captured. Maybe production data, it may be a customer's order data, it may be quality data, it may be manufacturing data. But now we have to really think one more step further is predicting and prescriptive. So these are the two things that are really coming up. If the real-time data is really available and all this optimization is possible, then you have a better analytics and that can really lead to better planning, better decision making, and that can lead to advanced forecasting. As we all know, the entire supply chain process starts with the market expectations, market demand, market forecasting, and all that. Your advanced forecasting is really going to drive the entire supply chain management. So this is the next step which we have to really consider as we go on moving the phases actually. And finally, that has to have the processes like planning, sourcing, making, delivering, and in case if there is a returns onto any products. So various business processes which are covered into a complete supply chain are these are the 5 steps out there. So I have shown you the 5 processes onto horizontally also, and at the last the supply chain processes into a vertical way also. Hope I just gave you a brief overview about supply chain management, and I'm quite sure you must have got some idea. But I'm also sure that this must have generated many more queries in your mind. So feel free to contact us. Our domain and technology teams will help you based on to their experience of last 40 years to help you to solve your challenges, solve your problems, and achieve supply chain excellence. Our contact details are shown over here. We already have more than 190 videos. So do look at those videos, share with your network, share any thoughts, comments on to us. Thank you. Bye.